In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag a customer in Shopify on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add useful labels like VIP or wholesale to a customer profile so you can organize your audience and tailor your marketing more effectively. Start by opening your desktop browser and signing in to your Shopify admin. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. Using a modern, up-to-date browser will help everything load smoothly, and having the right permissions in your account ensures you can edit customer information without any hiccups. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Customers. This takes you to a list of all your customer profiles. If you have a long list, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person you're looking for. Accuracy matters here, especially if you have customers with similar names, so double-check the email or other details if needed before proceeding. Next, open the customer profile you want to tag by clicking their name. This opens the full profile page, where you can see their details, order history, and other information. Near the top, or in the overview area, you'll find the Tags field. If this customer already has tags, you'll see them displayed there. If not, the field will be empty and ready for you to add a new one. Click inside the Tags field. Start typing the tag you want to add, such as VIP, wholesale, or frequent buyer. As you type, Shopify may suggest existing tags. Selecting one of those helps keep your tagging consistent across your store. When the tag looks right, press Enter to add it. If you want to include more than one tag, repeat the process. Type the next tag and press Enter again. Keeping tags short, clear, and consistent makes it easier to filter customers and build segments later, so choose a naming style you can stick with. After adding your tags, check whether your version of Shopify saves automatically. In many cases, changes are saved as you go, but if you see a Save button on the page, click it to confirm your updates. You should now see the tags clearly attached to the customer's profile, which means they're ready to be used in searches, filters, and workflows elsewhere in your store. That's it. You've tagged a customer in Shopify on desktop. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your audience, personalize campaigns, and streamline operations as your business grows. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps for any customer who needs clear, consistent labeling.